All right. Hey, everybody. How's it going? Ryan Huggins again, coming to you for Limitless 360, level number 3, the wallet audit. So this is really cool. This is a concept that actually is pretty cool. I've been doing this for quite some time, is keeping your wallet or your purse or the wallet in your purse clean and not full of extra stuff. So I actually haven't done this for a little while, and I'm glad that this level came up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go through my wallet and make sure that everything that I'm not using is not in there. So let's go ahead and take that out. Let's go ahead and take that out. We'll take that out, take that out. These business cards I definitely don't need. Starbucks card I don't need. That one I don't need. So you'll want to take out basically any debit card or credit card that you don't use anymore, any old business cards that you don't need anymore, set them off to the side if they are important. I got a couple of gift cards in here, some that don't have any money on them. Forgot to take those and throw them away. My Costco card, since I'm not actually going to be able to go outside right now, I don't need that one as much as I used to. And so there's that, right? So got all this stuff. So what's interesting is we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different cards, and then we'll put these back in there. And after everything was taken out and put back in, this is my wallet now. Much more convenient. That'll fit in my pocket much easier. Don't have any cash in there right now because I'm not going outside, not spending any cash. Don't need to leave any tips anywhere. But anyway, with that, got quite a few cards removed from my wallet. So that's going to help with the size, comfort, and then also all of that stuff is not necessary right now. The money that I have in here is necessary. And then of course, you got to get that Salesvision Black card. Make sure you got your Salesvision Black card. Make sure you sign up for your free one there. Go to www.winwithryan.com to join my team, and I'll work with you and teach you everything you need to know. www.winwithryan.com. Sign up and join my team today. And that is it. That's level number 3 complete on Limitless 360. Have a great one. See you inside the group, and see you on the next video. Bye. I'm so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple different sources and on a continuous basis. I am so happy and grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities on a continuous basis from multiple different sources. Have a great day.